How to activate a prepaid SIM in the Boost Mobile AU app. Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to activate a prepaid SIM using the Boost Mobile Australia app. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, download the Boost Mobile Australia app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app on your mobile device. Next, log in with your Boost mobile account. If you're a new customer, you can quickly create a new account directly within the app. From the main menu, tap on the Activate SIM to start the activation process. Enter your SIM card number and personal details, including your name and identification information as requested by the app. Select your preferred prepaid plan, review all the details, and then confirm your activation request. Your SIM will begin activating. This usually takes a few minutes, and once it's complete, you'll receive a confirmation message and you're ready to start using your Boost mobile prepaid service. And that's it! You've successfully activated your prepaid SIM using the Boost Mobile Australia app.